Okay, I'm going to go over the hash map quickly. Hash map is basically a container which contains keys and values. Just to show you a quick example, here we go. Now, excuse the noise of the keyboard. We need, doesn't have to be this. Let me type it out first and I'll explain. Okay, we have a hash map. It has a key, which in this case is going to be an integer, and value, which is going to be a string. And we're going to call the hash map hash. So that's going to be a new hash map, and again, integer, if I can spell it right, and the value is going to be a string. And there we go, and we call that method. Now we can, for instance, give the container an initial value, but we don't have to. Great thing about hash maps is they're very, very quick. It hasn't got to go through in a specific order. There's no order to hash maps, they're just chucked in. There's definitely no guarantee that you're going to get them in the right order. That's not what it's about, okay? But just watch this. So now we can do nothing. Here's our hash. I'm going to put in a value. Now integer, there's our value of the integer plus our key, 1. And we're going to put in a string value of 1. Here's another one. We're going to hash, we're going to put in 2. Value 2. Okay, so now our container, our hash map container, contains 2 keys and 2 values. Okay, first one is the key of 1 and the value of 1 as in a string, and the second one is key 2 with the value of 2 as a string. Now, to give you a better idea of how this works, if I do this, just an open line, hash key1 equals, and then we can just do hash get 1 being the key. And if we look down here in the console and press play, you'll see that hash key 1 equals 1, the value there. Again, if we do hash key 2, press play, hash key 2 equals 2. So basically, you ask the container, the hash map, for a value, and it gives you the value to that key. That's basically it. Okay, so as well as putting values in, we can clear the hash map. We're going to get rid of all the values in there. The size of the hash map. Tell us the size. Okay, sometimes we need to go through the whole hash map. It's called iterating. Go through and print out all the values or do different things with the values. So I'm going to quickly take you through that. And we use an iterator. Let me spell it right. So iterator it equals our hash map has a key set, and we use the iterator in the key set. Okay, now while the iterator has a next value, we will do this system equals, and we just call the iterator and next method. Okay, so now while the iterator has a next value, it will print out the value in the hash map and move on to the next one in a while loop. So if I run that, key value is 2. Okay, sorry, I'll clear that. I'll make up again and don't clear the hash map, that will help. And also take out that for a second. Run it again, here we go, we've just iterated through the hash map, and hash value equals 1, hash value equals 2. It's taken both values out of the hash map. It will not necessarily do them in order, they're in order here, but it's not necessarily in order. But that's a fantastic way. You've got a lot of values you want to put in there, and they don't have to be in order. Hash map is the way to go. Very, very fast. If you would like dozens more resources just like this one, you can find them in the J Programming Academy, along with video tutorials showing you exactly how to use them. To get a 30-day no-risk trial membership to the J Programming Academy, visit computerprogrammingacademy.com/academy.